What is up, everybody? Jason here with Jaspys. We just sold out our last and only mystery crate filler that we needed to unlock the Jordan mystery crate. This is 2021 Bowman Chrome HTA one box break number 37, guys. So first, we're going to do the break, distribute the 3 hits that pop out of here, and then at the end, we'll randomize the original list. The top 2 names get into the Jordan mystery crate, which is right here, and get a chance to win that Jordan there, guys. So no matter what, you're guaranteed something. Yeah, so there you go there, guys. Like I said, we did post up another one, very similar, same thing here with the Gunnar Henderson, if you guys are interested in that. But like I said, this is for the Jordan one. So here's the list of names. Teams will randomize that. Then at the end, we'll randomize the list of names. And then top 2 get into the break there, guys. So here we go. Let's do the break first. Let's roll it. We got a full 12, 6 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Corey, down to Jeff. All right, 12 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 times, 12 times. Cardinals down to the Oakland A's. All right, now of course, guys, no trading because it is just a filler. All right. Here we go, guys. All right, Shirts and Apostle. That's a rookie autograph to $4.99. Yeti Cap for the Marlins, and Rafael Morel for the Cubbies to $4.99 Bowman's first. So Cubs, that's going to be Corey. Marlins, that's Brian Frank. And then Shirts and Apostle, Texas, which is going to Jalen. Alright, there you go, guys, just like that. Now let's switch scenes and let's do the main giveaway, guys, which is top 2 names here. Top 2 names after 4 times, 2 and a 2, get a free spot in the mystery crate where you're guaranteed to hit, guys. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, later, and 4. 4 times, 4, 4. All right, Jeff. Just missed it, but top 2. Steven Kendrick, okay, dope. And Corey, last spot mojo. There you go. Top 2 get in right there. All right, there you guys go. So again, this was boat number 37. Very nice, guys. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, we do have another mystery crate up on the site. We don't have a filler for that yet, but I will be posting at least one once we're done with the mystery crates here that we're about to do. But appreciate it, guys. Good luck to the both of you. You guys are now guaranteed a hit, and it could be a $2,200 Michael Jordan for only $31, guys. Thank you.